Here is how to download and install Among Us on your phone. So first of all, you need to go ahead and launch your Play Store or App Store according to your device, whether you're using Android or iPhone. Then after, tap on the search bar in the top and then simply type in Among Us application. Now, once you find the application, go ahead and tap on install, which is highlighted in blue color. Wait for a few minutes or seconds for it to download and install in your mobile device so that you can log in and play. And if you already have Among Us application installed in your mobile device, also make sure that you open the Play Store or App Store according to your device and then simply search for Among Us. And if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.